I think one of the things I've noticed is that this place is bursting with data, with facts, with images, but it's not necessarily getting out there. And I think that is such a shame. Use the tools that are there, use the voices that are there, find the story, okay? If it's got a piece of data that is really, really important, show how that piece of data, what that piece of data means in real life, the impact. Show the impact it will have on a person, right from the beginning all the way through to the end. You need to grab people's attention. You need to tell the story, otherwise nobody will listen, and all that work, all that research will be for nothing.